Fungi play many important roles in the world's ecosystems, and most of us actually carry harmless fungal colonizers on our skin and in our digestive tracts. But there is a dark side to fungi. Every year, more than 1 million people die from fungal infections. That's more than those killed by malaria or breast cancer, and almost as many as those claimed by HIV or tuberculosis. On top of this staggering and hugely underappreciated death toll, fungi cause at least 100 million mucosal infections and 1 billion skin infections every year. This is a huge problem, compounded by a complete lack of vaccines against fungal infections, a limited arsenal of antifungal drugs available to doctors, and often unreliable diagnostics. The problem is increasing with drug-resistant fungi that may have evolved from crops that are being treated with agricultural fungicides. So why, in the face of this global disease crisis, haven't you heard of these hidden killers, when others, like MRSA, SARS and Ebola, regularly make headline news? Thankfully, a small but highly active research community are fighting back against the killer fungus. Scientists in the UK, along with our international partners, are making great strides towards understanding how these fungi cause disease. In doing so, we are coming up with new methods to detect these infections and provide new therapeutics and disease interventions. We now understand how fungi are recognised by our immune system, paving the way for treatments to boost immune responses and combat fungal disease. Our greater understanding of how fungi infect the human body is allowing us to design new drugs that selectively target fungal-specific structures, such as its cell wall. Antibodies are being developed that can be used to treat infections and to diagnose these infections early, which will greatly improve patient survival. We're also directly involved in training the next generation of scientists and doctors to tackle fungal disease, not only here in the UK, but in developing countries such as those in Africa, Asia and South America, where the fungal death toll is especially high. Together, our research will help us to win the battle against the killer fungus.